everyone. Thanks for joining us on this breakout session of the OVHcloud ecosystem experience around the marketplace. I'm really happy to welcome Mozen Haddad from Easybroadcast. Hi, Mozen.
Hi, Pierre. Thank you.
My name is Pierre Lamarche. I'm in charge of the marketplace at OVHcloud. Going to present you some topics for this session. So we are going to talk about the marketplace in general and the way it's working, the goals of the marketplace, the business opportunities it can offer to vendors and OVHcloud customers, and then we are going to discuss about the roadmap we are going to develop for the following year. Just in 2 words, to introduce Easybroadcast. Easybroadcast is one of our first vendors on the marketplace. It's a hand-to-hand OTT streaming solution optimizing video delivery on every screen, from just to delivery, but we are going to talk with Mozen right after that because he's going to give you a huge testimony of his experience with the marketplace. Just to give you some figures to start around the marketplace. So we launched the marketplace in May, so just 6 months ago. I remind you that it's a 0% sales commission platform. We only take 3% transaction fees to cover only the operational cost of the platform. That's a huge advantage for the vendors to be displayed on the marketplace because of those advantages. We already have more than 250 offers online just within the 6 first months, provided by more than 90 vendors, and we have more than 25 product categories. This combination of power gives you what you can find on the OVHcloud Marketplace. It means a huge catalog of complementary solutions, validated and best in class, provided by our selected partners. Regarding the objectives of the marketplace, it's as simple as to allow the SMBs to easily find the appropriate solutions. On a customer side, you can find in this complementary catalog all the solutions, easy to use, easy to install, ready to use solutions provided by the partner of the marketplace. On the other side, from the vendor's perspective, we want to allow the vendors to display their solution and to reach more than 1.5 million customers of OVHcloud. And finally, by meeting all those vendors with all the customers, what we want, what we aim is just to create as many business interaction as possible. We have to create this ecosystem. And finally, by linking the vendors' offers and the customers, we aiming to create as many business interactions as possible. The most business we are going to make inside this ecosystem will define what the ecosystem is in the end. Let's talk concretely about one example of opportunities the marketplace can create. We are really happy to welcome Mozen Haddad this morning, the Chief Revenue Officer and co-founder of Easybroadcast. Easybroadcast has a really interesting story to share regarding the experience it has with the marketplace. Mozen, the floor is yours. I let you explain what is your experience with the marketplace and why you are happy finally to be on the marketplace. Thank you.
Thank you, Pierre, for having me. I would like to start by thanking OVHcloud and saying to everybody that we are very happy with the experience we have on the marketplace. So Easybroadcast is a one-stop shop for video. We solve the problems of video streaming and video transport over the internet. Either you're a TV channel wanting to stream your content all over the world, or you want to build your own Netflix. If you are an enterprise and you want your CEO to speak to everybody, to all the employees, we allow that. We have that patented technology that helps you go over all your network constraints. You're an event manager and you want to stream a concert. We're there for you. Our solutions cover all these segments. The last product we launched during the COVID-19 pandemic is Easybroadcast, and I will talk a little bit about this product and what are our plans to develop our business on the OVHcloud Marketplace. So, as a classic B2B company, software vendor, we need to work, with integrators, with partners, with resellers, and we do it the classic way. And there is one segment that is not easy to address because of the potential revenue compared to the cost of selling, which is the SMB segment. There is a clear value in our R&D, how we leverage each viewer as a relay to transport video. For an SMB, there's clear value. The problem would be selling, but also deploying and for the end client to use it. The unique opportunity, and I say it because we studied the market and all the marketplaces over the world. OVHcloud is allowing a unique user experience for our clients to just come, buy the licenses of the software, just click, and it is deployed, ready to use. It's not something where the client has to deploy anything. Same thing about his account management, etc. So there's an ease of use, and we believe that the exposure also that we have with OVHcloud is an amazing opportunity. We launched the product for the French market. We adapted it for that unique user experience. So we launched that Easybroadcast, which is a video conferencing product. This is the first one we launched. We are planning to add other services. The next one is a sort of a webinar platform. So you just plug whatever breakout session like this one, and you have a full live stream available. And this will be just over a click for you. You come to the marketplace, you just purchase, and you have it. Another advantage we see is that it allows us to have a sort of professional and easy to use licensing management. So someone can buy licenses and then give licenses to different people in his company just by attributing them in the management dashboard after that. This is one of the customization we did, so we improved that user experience. The data sovereignty is something very important to Easybroadcast. And you know what? This is a major differentiator for the French market and the European market for us. So, for example, one of our clients that purchased the service over the marketplace is the group of polytechnic schools to manage the digital applications of students. And that data sovereignty, ease of use, ease of purchase, ease of management provided by OVHcloud Marketplace is the differentiator that made them choose that service. So that's why I was saying we're very happy and we're planning to introduce other products. And now we want to expand over Europe and the US market and the rest of the world. And one important thing for us is data sovereignty. This helped us with the use case I just told you about. This is a big differentiator. This will be a differentiator for Europe. For the rest of the world, the good thing is that we have development plan, our roadmap will develop some specific features to verticals, segments, markets. And that's a good thing because we'll be ready. Pierre will talk about the next steps for the OVHcloud Marketplace features. And on our side, we're waiting for them, but we're also preparing our products and the way we sell for these markets.
Thanks, Mosen, for this testimony. This story is really interesting because it's totally in line, and we are sharing very often with Mosen on the way he sees the development of the marketplace. And this story is one of the many stories of the many vendors we have already on the marketplace. We are planning to at least double this year this number of vendors and the related offers we are going to have in the complementary catalog. And in consultation with the vendors, with the customers, Mosen was talking about the Polytechnic school story he had this summer. But we are listening, everybody, all the stakeholders of the marketplace to design the roadmaps. So let's see and have a preview on what is the R&D roadmap for the marketplace and all the features we are going to deliver to you, vendors and customers on the marketplace for the following years. There is at least more than 30 or 40 new features we are going to deliver and launch in production in the following years. The second point is a major one. It's the capabilities to sell on-premise products, on-premise software on the marketplace. So just to remind you, today we are only selling on the marketplace software as a service package. So to clearly understand, it's the partner who is totally in charge and 100% manage the software, the infrastructure, and the support of the product you can sell, you can buy on the marketplace. But the on-premise model, it's quite different because on the marketplace, you will be allowed to find the software and only the software offered and provided by the partner. And the infrastructure will be delivered by OVHcloud. The on-premise model allows you to install a software provided by the vendors on a dedicated infrastructure we are going to deliver in the NIC of the customers directly. So the support, of course, will be split between the partner for the applicative part and OVHcloud for the infrastructure part, as any infrastructure you can buy at OVH. This bundle of product will be delivered directly in the NIC of the customers. And to be very clear on the way it's going to work, we prepared this little graphic to clearly understand what is managed by the marketplace and what is managed by the partner, and in the SaaS model, what is managed by by OVHcloud.com. The point is that the marketplace will be the link between the partner offer and the OVHcloud infrastructure you can buy anytime on your manager or on OVHcloud.com. The point is that the marketplace will offer the capability to OVHcloud customers to choose any licenses of any software you can find on the marketplace. That's the principle of the category offer. All the solution you can find on the marketplace has been selected and is member of the ecosystem. That means they are sharing our values, and that means that, as Mosen said, they are respecting the data sovereignty. So you can see on this graphic the difference between the two models. Of course, one solution will be proposed and offered by some partner in the SaaS model or in the on-premise model. Both can be offered by the same provider, of course. Regarding the international, That's the second major thing we are going to bring this year on the marketplace roadmap. So Mosen said we have a lot of vendors with international ambitions. OVHcloud is by default an international company. For this beta version, we started only with French vendors selling to French customers. And the why of this is just because we are facing some real complexity regarding the tax management because today we are dealing with our marketplace platform provider Easybroadcast and the payment solution provider we have in place, which is iPay, and it allows us to deliver only services in France. But we are going to develop this year a really complete international tax management module, which allow us to open the marketplace to the rest of the world. We are going to start by find some vendors from European Union to start, but the customer can be from anywhere in the world. You have to understand that as a marketplace operator, the complexity in that is to be able to manage the order of the customers, for buying a product from a vendor anywhere in the world to a customer anywhere in the world. And this complexity of the tax management is a key, again, is a keystone for us in the international expansion of the marketplace. So at the moment we're going to have this international tax management module, we will be able to open the marketplace in several countries, in several languages, and open it to anywhere, vendor from anywhere in the world. Finally, Mosen talk about it as well regarding the US expansion, the US marketplace. So regarding the Cloud Act, we want to keep separate all customers' database, of course. So we are going to have to duplicate. We are going to duplicate the entire solution for the US market. And we are going to have as well to integrate a new PSP, a local PSP, US one, to the solution provided by Easybroadcast. Combined with the international tax management module, we will be able to offer the marketplace for the US market as well. So thanks for joining us today on this breakout session. I think it's time now to answer your question and start the live chat with you. Thank you again.